Okay, so for this video, let's try to answer some work on our can. So we have here the a of x is equal to negative 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus 8x plus 12, and our b of x is equal to 3x squared plus x plus 1. So if we take a look at this, is our equation below. Okay, so it's asking us to find our q sub x. Our q sub x is just equal to our a sub x divided by our b sub x. So this is our a sub x, and it has to be divided by b sub x. So this is just again another application of our long division of polynomials. So let's begin. So we now have, okay, so we got 3x squared plus x plus 1 to be outside, and our inside function, or our inside of the box, that will just give us a negative 6x cubed. Let me just do this correctly now. Okay, I'll redo my box. Okay, so I'll have my negative 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus 8x plus 12. So let's begin. So I'll just put a small divisor in order for me to be able to create a little bit of a space. Okay, let's continue. So our first step is I'll do my first term of our dividend to be divided by the first term of my divisor. So negative 6 divided by 3, and I also got x cubed over x squared. So that will just give me an answer of negative 6 divided by 3. That will just give me an answer of negative 2x. So where do I place my negative 2x? I'm just going to place it on top of my 19x squared. So I'll have negative 2x. Okay, and that negative 2x, I will just multiply that to my divisor. So I'll have negative 2x. Then let's multiply that to my divisor of 3x squared plus x plus 1. I don't have enough space on the side, so I'll just place my product right below here. So I'll just have my negative 6x cubed. That's from this part. And then for my second term, I'll multiply my negative 2x to my positive x, giving me a negative 2x squared. And then my last term will just be a negative 2x. So I will now just place that, below my negative 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus 8x. So we now have negative 6x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x. Then we're just going to subtract. This one will just give me a 0. This one will just give me a negative minus negative 2x. That's going to give us a positive 21x squared. And then for our next term, we now have 8x minus negative 2x. That will just give us a positive 10x. Okay. And then we bring down your positive 12. Okay, and then the process starts all over again. So I will now have my 21x squared. That's from this part right here. And I'm just going to divide that with 3x squared. 21x squared divided by 3x squared. That will just give me an answer of 7. Cancel out your x squared. 21 divided by 3. That will just give us an answer of 7. So where do we place our 7? That's going to be right on top of my 12. Okay. Anyway, not final answer. We're just going to keep them a little bit closer. So what's our next step? For step number 4, we're going to use that 7 that we just had and multiply it again to our divisor. So that's 3x squared plus x plus 1. So that's going to give us 7 times 3x squared. That's just going to give us a 21x squared plus 7x plus 7. So we write it down, minus 21x squared plus 7x plus 7. So let's subtract. This one will just give us a 0. 10x minus 7x, that is going to give us a 3x. 12 minus 7, that's just going to give us a 5. So, therefore, okay, our quotient is the one that we have at the top. So we're just going to place it here. So that's going to be the negative 2x plus 7. Okay. And our remainder is what we have right here. So that's just going to give us a 3x plus 5. And then let's check. All right. So that's an example for our can. So guys, if you have any more questions, just raise your hand. Anyway, we're going to be seeing each other. So see you. Bye.